In this video, we will learn how to convert a number written in the expanded form into its standard form. We have an expanded form of a number here, which is 400,000 plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 7. And we want to write its standard form. Now there is another way to express the expanded form of a number. So from left, we can write 400,000 as 4 times 100,000. 20,000 as 2 times 10,000, 5,000 as 5 times 1,000, 100 as 1 times 100, 30 as 3 times 10, and 7 as 7 times 1. Now 7 times 1 means 7 goes in the ones place in the place value chart. 3 times 10 means 3 goes in the tens place. 1 times 100 means 1 goes in the hundreds place. 5 times 1000 means 5 goes in the thousands place. 2 times 10,000 means 2 goes in the 10,000s place. And finally, 4 times 100,000 means 4 goes in the 100,000s place. We will put a comma between 1 in the hundreds place and 5 in the thousands place to separate ones and thousands period. Therefore, to write the standard form, we will write all these digits together. So the standard form is 425,137. Let's have one more example. We have the expanded form of a number which is 3 million plus 900,000 plus 10,000 plus 700 plus 80. Again, we will express the expanded form of this number differently just as we did in the previous example. I would encourage you to write the standard form of this number by pausing this video. So from left, we can write 3 million as 3 times 1 million, 900,000 as 9 times 100,000, 10,000 as 1 times 10,000, 700 as 7 times 100, and lastly 80 as 8 times 10. Now 8 times 10 means 8 goes in the tens place in the place value chart, which means there is no digit in the ones place. Hence, we will put a 0 as a placeholder in the ones place. Next, we have 7 times 100. So 7 goes in the hundreds place. 1 times 10,000 means 1 goes in the 10,000s place, which means there is no digit in the thousands place. Therefore, we will put a 0 as a placeholder in the thousands place. 9 times 100,000 means 9 goes in the 100,000s place. And finally, 3 times 1 million means 3 goes in the millions place. Again, we will put a comma between 0 and 7 to separate ones and thousands period, and between 9 and 3 to separate thousands and millions period. Therefore, by writing all these digits together, we can write the standard form as 3,910,780. Let's see some more examples without the place value chart. So, we want to write the standard form of 1 million plus 200,000 plus 7,000 plus 50 plus 4. So from right, 4 means 4 times 1. So 4 is in the ones place. 50 means 5 times 10. So 5 is in the tens place. 7,000 is 7 times 1,000. So 7 is in the thousands place. 200,000 is 2 times 100,000. So 2 is in the 100,000s place. And lastly, 1 million means 1 times 1 million. So 1 is in the millions place. So to write the standard form, from right, 4 is in the ones place, 5 is in the tens place, But after tens place, we have 7 in the thousands place, which means there is no digit in the hundreds place. Therefore, we will put a 0 as a placeholder in the hundreds place. And then comes 7 in the thousands place. Similarly, after thousands place, directly we have 2 in the hundred thousands place, which means there is no digit in the 10,000s place. Hence, again we will put a 0 as a placeholder in the 10,000s place. And then comes 2 in the 100,000s place. And finally, we have 1 in the millions place. We will put a comma between 0 and 7 to separate ones and thousands period, and between 2 and 1 to separate thousands and millions period. Hence, the standard form is 1,207,054. Let's do one more example in the same way. Let's write standard form of 50,000 plus 8,000 plus 20. How about you pause this video and write the standard form of this number in the same way as we did in the above example. Now here from right, 20 is 2 times 10. So 2 is in the tens place. 8,000 is 8 times 1,000. So 8 is in the thousands place. 50,000 means 5 times 10,000. So 5 is in the 10,000s place. So to write the standard form of this number, we have 2 in the tens place, which means there is no digit in the ones place. So we will put a 0 as a placeholder in the ones place, and then comes 2 in the tens place. But after tens place, we have 8 in the thousands place, which means there is no digit in the hundreds place. Therefore, we will put a 0 as a placeholder in the hundreds place, and then comes 8 in the thousands place. And finally, we have 5 in the 10,000s place. Let's put a comma between 0 and 8 to separate ones and thousands period. Hence, the standard form is 58,020.